Tofu is made from curdling the soya milk and is a great vegan as well as vegetarian source of protein, calcium and other micronutrient. Hello everyone and welcome back to one more video of All Light Food, and today I'm going to share a very simple scrambled tofu recipe. So let's quickly get started. First, in a pan I am taking 2 tablespoons of canola oil, and when it's warm I will add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, and while it crackles I will quickly finely chop 2 cloves of garlic for that nice pungent taste, and then I will chop half a green chili to add that kick of spice, and if you have the regular size chili, go for 1. Now add them straight into the pan. Saute the garlic and chili for a couple of seconds on medium-low heat. Meanwhile, I will chop 1 large onion. If you have small size onion, then go for 2. For 400 grams of tofu, add 1.5 cup of onion for that perfect balance. Once the onions are finely chopped, add them straight into the pan along with the garlic and chilies. Cook the onions till golden brown or the raw smell is gone. While the onions are cooking, I will chop 1 large tomato, which will be around 1 cup of chopped tomatoes. And if you want the tofu to be more sour, then you can add more tomatoes to it. Now add the chopped tomatoes to the pan with the cooked onions, and cook them till they are soft and all the moisture is reduced. Put the stove on low heat and add the flavors. I will start with salt to taste, around 1 teaspoon or little more for the tofu that I'm going to add later. Next, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a generous amount of coriander powder, around 1.5 tablespoon, then half a tablespoon of curry powder and a little bit of red chili powder, which is optional. Now mix all the ingredients nicely. The tofu has a very bland taste, so adding a little more of spices will make it flavorful and tasty. While the spices are cooking on low heat, I will get the tofu ready. Here I have taken 400 grams of extra firm tofu, and I will squeeze the excess water to reduce the moisture while cooking. Once I am done, I will crumble them with my hands into a bowl. And now I will add the crumbled tofu to the pan into the spices. Once you add the tofu into the pan, cook it on high heat for the evaporation of that excess moisture or any water released from the tofu. To finish the recipe, I will chop a little bit of yellow pepper, which will add the crunch to the tofu, but this is completely optional. Finally, I will chop handful of fresh coriander leaves and add them into the scrambled tofu for that nice flavored aroma. Give it a final mix, turn off the stove and serve hot as a side dish. Trust me, it's not less than the scrambled eggs or the scrambled paneer. So that's all for today's video. I'm sure you enjoyed the recipe. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon for notifications. Comment and share the video with your loved ones. I will see you in one more video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy, and do visit my blog at www.alllightfood.com. The link is in the description box, and you can also connect me on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.